Here we come to the elevator at the Hampton Road Medical Building. Go to 2. Go to 1. Go to 2. And back to 1.
On the second floor of some medical building in Austin. This is something very sad to see over here.
The 1974 Otis Lexan.
1974 Otis elevator, which it ran about a year ago, but this building's abandoned and she's getting vandalized because she's left open. Look at her buttons. See, nothing even works. The alarm, emergency stop, nothing works. I'm not going to press the phone because it may still be active, but she's getting vandalized, so I'm going to let this elevator rest in peace. It's only got 1,500 pound capacity. She was open, but I'm closing her up so she can be in peace. Let me give her a good pull so she shuts. There. Now she's locked and no one can get inside her. So rest in peace, old Otis elevator.